focus on transforming a house into a functional space that reflects your lifestyle. From space planning and furniture selection to choosing a color palette and lighting, we prioritize your comfort at every step. Whether you are renovating, remodeling, or designing a new home, we ensure that every detail is curated thoughtfully.
Spacious layout, large windows and mirrors allow the light to penetrate the room.
Hi, now I am gonna talk about 3D design. It is very important part for interior. In 3D, we can visualize the design before it's done on site. It makes easier for client to understand the detailing about the design, like the wall paint color, ceiling design, lighting, wall paneling, laminates we use. And it also helps us to cost optimization for as per client's requirement. Basically, 3D is the bridge between client's requirement, their imagination and our creativity.
Neoclassical Interiors was originally based on the haute decor of Greece and Rome. Due to its timeless charm and elegance, it has made it to the list of favorites of many homeowners.
My experience at Floorsy has been a journey of creativity and problem solving. With every project, there is a new challenge that is sometimes scary and super exciting at the same time.
At Floorsy, we don't just design spaces, we curate experiences. We are not confined by trends, but rather draw inspiration to create designs that are timeless and classic at the same time.
I listen to my clients' stories, their dreams, their lifestyle, and turn all of that into a space they feel truly. Personally, I feel a good teamwork isn't confined to us. It should always include the client presence. A well-executed project is a contribution from both the ends.